Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHEARTAIRBRUSH. And today we are going to be giving you this sultry Valentine's Day inspired look, honey. Yes, we want something that is going to go ahead and get us nice and snatched. You know, to throw it out there and just reel them in, honey. No, I'm just kidding. But yes, if you want to know how to airbrush this full face sultry Valentine's Day look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start by concealing using Dinair Neutralizing Camouflage line, mixing the two shades Honey Beige and Vanilla for my perfect match. And I'm just going to go ahead and conceal the under eye area and then work on the rest of my skin. Then I'm going to start contouring using Dinair Glamour Shade Fawn Brown mixed with Glamour Shade Sepia. I find that mixing these two together give a really beautiful contour shade. So if you have them, definitely recommend that you mix them. So I'm just going to hollow out the cheekbones, temples, forehead, jawline, and then contour my nose like usual. Then I'm going to dive in with blush, and here I'm using Dinair Glamour Shade Bronze Rose, giving my cheeks a nice, youthful flush. A little deep though, adding that nice dimension to the skin. Then I'm going to take that same shade and apply it to my crease as well, just to go ahead and contour that out also. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and take Dinair Shimmer Shade Cranberry and just apply that to the outer corner of the transition area, just above the fold of my lid. I want to go ahead and add some dimension, and I find that adding a deeper shade really works for that. Then to the lid, I'm going to go ahead and mix Dinair Opalescent Shade Persimmon and Shimmer Shade Light Bronze, and just apply that all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner of the lid, not covering up that cranberry so much, focusing more on the dead space on my lid. So more toward the inner corner of the lid, you know, girl, you see it, you see it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and layer up on this shade because it's so beautiful. You want to go ahead and make it poppin'. Then to the mid lid, I'm going to be taking Dinair Opalescent Shade Persimmon by itself and just putting that on the mid lid for that nice added pop. Once I got that pop on the lid like so, I'm just going to go ahead and take Dinair Glamour Shade Fawn Brown and define the outer V. And then take the shade also down the lower lash line all the way through. And then I'm going to add some depth to the outer corner of the lid just by blending it in like so. Okay, now that the eyes are almost done, I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation using the Dinair Radiance line mixed with Extender, because you know that's my jam lately. And I'm just applying my foundation like I normally do. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and highlight using Dinair Kohler Opalescent Highlighter in the shade That's Just Peachy. I'm going to highlight the high points of my face, including the cheekbones and the bridge of my nose. I'm going to see shape motion to the brow bone as well, just nice and light. And then pop it on the tear duct, girl, because we want to look nice and awake. Then I'm also going to take my shadow shield and apply this to the inner corner of the lower lash line as well, just to go ahead and open up the eye. Then I'm just going to finish applying it to all the places that I talked about earlier. Now it's time for the brows using Dinair Kohler Brow Shade Dark Smoke with the Brow Stencil 8C. I'm just going to go ahead and define my brows like so. Then it's time for eyeliner. So here I'm using Dinair Glamour Shade Jet Black and Dinair's Cat Eye and Stencil and just filling in my eyeliner the way I do it, girl. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my makeup in place using the Mary Kay Makeup Finishing Spray. Apply mascara using the Mary Kay Lash Love Mascara. Yes, my favorite, girl. Then I'm going to go ahead and pop on some Kiss lashes in the style Peony. And then apply that lip, girl, because we need that lip. And here I'm using Dinair Liquid Lipstick in the shade Caramel. Yes, honey. This is the finished look, all nice and seductive like, you know, because we wanted to kind of give you a little, but not too much, you know, just enough to reel you in. Yeah. All right, so that about wraps it up for this video. I want to go ahead and thank you for watching, of course. And as always, if you did find this video inspiring or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave. It helps me out a ton. And of course, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I do hope and wish you know you're going to go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you do choose to hit that subscribe button before you leave and join my airbrush family here, or if you've already joined the airbrush family and you one of the members, girl, don't forget to go ahead and hit that little notification bell icon right next to the subscribe button. That way you can turn on your notifications and get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and cuddle up with my honey. Yeah, you know how we like to do, because mama's looking all hot and whatnot. No, I'm just kidding. But I am going to go ahead and snuggle up with my honey bear. So I just want to go ahead and thank you once again for watching this video, and I hope to see you all in my next one.